gals, today I'm going to be doing some easy curly lock hairstyles for you gals. As you all know, I just took my hair with some pipe cleaner curls, so let me show you how I've been styling my locks lately. But first, let me give you a length check. Now, I've had my pipe cleaner curls in my hair for approximately a week and a half, and as you can see, it's still curly. So this is not post pipe cleaner takeout, but it is pipe cleaner curls that got my locks this curly. I'll link the video to the top if you haven't watched that. For the first style, we're gonna start off with a nice little bang style. First, I'm going ahead and section my back. Now, when I'm styling my locks, I like my locks to be as natural as possible. I don't try to manipulate it. So we're just gonna add 2 bangs to the front, and then I'm going to wrap some locks around my ponytail that I want, just to have up. Like, very simple. Just mind the little whiteness in front of my hair. That's the edge control. I forgot to wipe it off. And this right here is the first style. So cute, so classy. Like, this is one of my go-to hairstyles. If you know, you know. First style number 2. Now we're gonna go in with a nice little down style. So I'm basically positioning my locks to what area I want everything to fall. Like, this can be a bit tricky, but I'm going for a side part. Like, look how cute and luscious this look. Like, this side part I just did the other day and I loved it. Very easy to achieve. As you can see, my curls are popping on one side, and that's what you want. You want your curls to look popping with your locks. For our third style, we're gonna go in with the middle part bust down. Now, y'all know you have to have middle part in your curly lock hairstyles. Like, look how cute this middle part look. Like, it's just giving face. Everything is just looking so luscious. And now we're gonna go in with our next style. This is going to be like a messy bun is what I'm going for. Like, as you can see, I'm using a scrunchie and I'm not putting it very tight on my locks. Like, I'm putting it midway. Now, if you have locks, then you know how extremely difficult it is to get your hair in like a full bun. So I like to have my hair nice and messy and just let it fall where I think it's cute. So I basically let some locks hang, let some be folds under, and this is my messy bun. Super cute. My hair is already curly, so it's just giving it more volume, and I absolutely love it. For our last style, now y'all know we cannot go and have a nice ponytail. So I'm going in for a very rough ponytail. Like, even here, I'm still not putting my locks like extremely tight. But child, the longer they get, the more hassle it's be to get this in the ponytail. But I got it in. So now we're just gonna fluff the top and drag it to the top of my head. Like, I like my ponytails to the tippy top. Like, look how cute and bouncy this looks. Like, oh my god, it's giving everything. Look how voluminous it is. That wraps up my easy curly lock hairstyles video. I hope you enjoy. Let me know which one was your favorite.